Hello everyone, this is Harlad Seiz, CEO and founder, Karatbars International. On 29 and 30 of March 2019, rewrite history. The incentive starts today, 5th of February. Karatbars International is in partnership with its satellite company Cryptodata and has developed a new communication system integrated into a new concept of smartphone based of innovate technology named voice over blockchain protocol. The communication protocol was designed and tested since 2016 using the infrastructure and experience of Cryptodata data center. Privacy is the new order, ladies and gentlemen. The new generation smartphones property to provide absolute security by decentralized common services. Voice communication, SMS, document transfer, media, photos and money. Encryption of the transferred data is made by methods based on the blockchain and uses private key, the most important criteria when select the blockchain used for encryption is represented by connection speed. To improve the security, the matrix change the blockchain every 10 minutes. This performance algorithm transforms the Impulse smartphone into an ecosystem, impossible to hack. The Impulse smartphone applications are user-friendly, being developed in accordance with user needs. The Impulse smartphone can use SIM cards, Wi-Fi or satellite connection. The dual SIM function is replaced by matrix identity. Now it's time to start with our incentive. This is an absolute historical day. By the way, we create for you a competition, a golden KPhone. The first 3 people with the highest turnover wins a golden KPhone. You found the details in your back office, and ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking forward to see you in Dubai. Have a nice time. See you soon. Here was Harlad Seiz, CEO and founder, Karatbars International.